In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove social media account from Sprout Social. If you're streamlining your workspace, rotating credentials, or you simply don't want Sprout to manage a profile anymore, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to disconnect it safely and confidently. Start by opening Sprout Social and heading to your account and settings. You'll usually find this under your profile icon or the gear-shaped settings menu. From there, open Settings, and then go to Groups and Social Profiles. This is where all of your connected profiles are listed, organized by group, so you can see exactly what's attached to your workspace. In the list of connected profiles, locate the specific social account you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one. Check the network icon and the handle or page name so you don't disconnect the wrong profile by mistake. When you've found it, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the overflow menu, next to that profile. Click it and choose View Profile. This opens a profile panel or pop-up with details about the connection. Inside that profile view, find the Disconnect button. Depending on your interface, it might read Disconnect, Remove, or Deauthorize, but it serves the same purpose: removing the connection between Sprout and that social account. Click the button, and Sprout will ask you to confirm. Read the confirmation message carefully. Disconnecting will remove the connection, so Sprout no longer manages, schedules, or posts to that profile, and it stops pulling new messages and data for it. Historical data already in your reports typically remains, but it won't update going forward. If everything looks correct, confirm the disconnect. You should see the profile disappear from the connected list or show as disconnected. If it still appears connected, give the page a quick refresh to update the view. Note that this action doesn't delete the social account itself. It only severs the link with Sprout, so you can reconnect later if needed. If you don't see the disconnect option, you may not have the necessary permissions, and an account admin will need to perform the removal. That's all there is to it. By using Account and Settings, navigating to Groups and Social Profiles, opening View Profile, and confirming Disconnect, you ensure Sprout no longer manages or posts using that social account. Take your time to verify the right profile, review the confirmation, and you'll keep your workspace clean and your publishing secure.